Hey, summertime. Welcome back. It's your homies, Ben and Rob and Ben. Inferno Mobile Recording Studio, we're back again to make a sound with you. Yes, you.
Nice song.
Like we always do, we're gonna explore together.
I saw it. Go.
So take a seat and open up your ears and your imagination. If you hear something and you want to react to it, feel free. Remember, sound is all around us, and we are free to explore it any way we feel. In a magical way, we are made of sound and vibrations. We are also made of water. 83% of our lungs is water. Let's take a moment to breathe together and enjoy the sunrise over Lake Michigan from Promontory Point in Loyola Park. Now let's listen and become the water. Lake Michigan provides Chicago with personality and a great wall of sound. Water is shapeless and can take any form. We have shape, but our sound is like water. Let's listen to how our voices take the shape of the Balmoral Tunnel of Foster Beach. All right, let's go. We got something for this beat. We know you know us, we know you're beautiful. Let's hear it. Feel free.
The left, hop the right. Hop the left, hop the right. Hop the left, hop the
Hey everyone, always remember, sound is everywhere, and we are free to explore sound in any way we feel. Let's take this racquetball court in Bessemer Park, for example. Shall we explore together? When we get close to it, let's try to notice the shape of the structure, the blue of the sky, the color of the racquetball court, the light from the sun, the shadows that are cast. I have 2 sticks with me, and I'm going to explore how wood and concrete interact with each other. Enjoy. Hey, living in the city, we experience sound bouncing off of concrete every day. So try it next time. You can use sticks, your voice, and even simple hand claps. Experiment, and remember, you're so cool.